Okay. Fire when ready.
What is up, guys? Claymore148 here, and I hope you guys enjoyed that quick intro. That was just for this video. And anyway, I went and shot guns at the shooting range today. You're probably going to see it. It's not going to be close today. But anyway, I did this video. I hope you guys like it. I got a bunch of clips of me doing awesome stuff. I shot some awesome guns. And I hope you guys enjoy this video.
I'm all on the target.
Wow.
Keep going till the mag's empty.
Okay.
Go.
Fire when ready. Alright, you're far right 4 inches. So bring it over to the left. Your bottom left low.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a pretty awesome video. I mean, I liked it. My favorite weapon was the MP5. Some of the parts went by pretty fast. I didn't like that. The editing didn't work as well as I thought it would. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was a pretty awesome day at the shooting range. As you saw in the intro, we did shoot some stuff that blew up, so it was pretty fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and goodbye.